Hey, Razorback Sharpening, nice again.
Late nights, my voice alone provokes stone gargoyles to come to life. I gave nightmares, spitting Lucifer lullabies. Tried 100 times, but can't seem to die. Run and hide when disaster strikes. The whole world's looking at me like Busta Rhymes. Turn the London eye colorblind. Muscles thrive off natural steroids in my blood supply. Cyclone, that sick psycho. Drink and spit nitro. Sprint so quick, I switch time zones. Bury my to the floor. When lightning strikes, I hit back with double the force. Death sentences riddled with wise words. Like the Titanic, you've only touched the tip of the iceberg. Grab minotaurs by the horns, I'm a higher force. Learned to fly before I could walk. The genesis of metaphysics, never weak. I created God in less than 7 minutes. RA stretched the limit. Doctors are still counting my IQ's never-ending digits. Appear from barrels of gun smoke. My poison pen's ink is the blood of Marilyn Monroe. License to drive you insane. Never lost my voice, but sometimes it tries to escape. Soul reaver without a heart. Premature, tore myself from the wound and spat out 1,000 bars. Balthazar's demonic counterpart. I'm blowing marble temples down like a house of cards. Bring your reinforcements. A mind so great, I'm trapped in this body like Stephen Hawking. Drawn by evil forces. I've been to hell and back. And then collapse from heat exhaustion. Ran asylum, and that's a suck.
Is it just me or is it getting real hot in here, man?
Who's saying, boys?
We got no fire extinguishers up in here.
Who's saying? We got the next beat.
Fire in the booth.
Next beat, yeah?
Let's get into this, man.
Fire in the booth. Yo, son of a when I start to spit, scars and whips appear from my tongue lashing. Darkness lives, midnight feast, rage every Dharma's fridge for leftover carcasses. R.A. Wordsmith, one author of the King James Version, in flames burning. Insane brain surgeons operate with chainsaws, malpractice makes perfect. Fingers crossed for my Hippocratic oath. My antidote sent you tumbling down a rabbit hole. Kidnap that which matters most. Ransom notes demand Zion. Mainframe access codes. Back of bones, hollow-eyed. Escalating karmic debt. Living off of borrowed time. Twist the words of the righteous. Lost my mind. God help the person that finds it. Won't compromise. 100-proof drunken fist. Suicide techniques dominate my bucket list. Not an MC, I'm a WMD. Patience depleted, I'm running on empty. Remorseless, living corpses. Walking in dead man's air forces. Upper lip in a state of rigor mortis. Atheist till the grave. Word to Richard Dawkins.
Bad boy. Without R.A., no way you can spell raw. Without R.A., no way you can spell raw. Without R.A. Come on. Yo, Cyclone, blood. Tell them what I want.
Let's go, man.
What's going on, bro?
Okay. Okay. Yo, okay.
Let's do this.
Yo, psychiatric patients have imaginations gravitating towards a morbid fascination. Murder max, spat my first verse at the birth of Christ, and the plains of hell turned to ice. These hospital superbugs died to the bottom of your gene pool just to remove the plug. One-eyed pirate, ring of fire for my iris. My incisors is the size of Bengali tigers. Ram asylum, turn the mics up and kill the silence. Turn the lights off and feel the violence. Mr. Samza, lucid dreaming. My first metamorphosis turned me into a human being. I'll change your life in under 100 bars. Like morphine, we're going up in arms. Sticks and stones can't break my bones. And when it comes to words, you don't stand up in chance. That's what's up.
Yeah, blood. Okay, let me get the next beat.
BBC One Extra.
Let's go.
That's emotional, man.
Next beat. Without R.A., no way you can spell raw. Without R.A., no way you can spell raw. Without R.A., no way you can listen. Check. R.A. connects with the best in the West Coast. Visited by an escaped convict from death row. Murderers dressed in a trench coat. After Cause my trademark for death is a red rose. Living legend even if I happen to die. Cause best rapper alive will be etched on my headstone. Lost in blood as my mouth salivates. We coming up, every underdog has this day. Muzzles off and all love is lost. So I have to play my part in acts of hate. Decapitate you as you gasp for breath. Cost you an arm and leg to pay your last respects. And if you're nobody till somebody kills you, I'm ready to die and live a life after death.
Brace yourself. My basement contains conveyor belts leading corpses to the gates of hell. Human ears hang from my dog tags, sharp off the top like a job's hat. When I come off the head, come off the neck, I'm pulling your leg off at the quadriceps. So watch your step. Known veteran gave Dr. Death a taste of his own medicine. Pain Olympics, gold medalist, go against my wishes. I incinerate my bridges. Paganistic, pray to a graven image. Raise the spirits, assailing witches. This is devil worship. Consume vestal. Keep the fire in my belly burning. Count wolves instead of sheep to get to sleep. Immortal, resisting, arrest in peace.
Resisting, arrest in peace. Let me go in again, no. But listen, check. Break your bones were built in brass knuckles. Not cylinders inside my legs as calf muscles. Sprint against an avalanche, souls expire. Exposed to the smokeless fire of this dragon's wrath. Tarot cards dealt death in every pack. Thoughts in my mind racing, completing memory lapse. Would suffocate to death if I swallowed my pride. My heart attacks and battles between body and mind. The earth rumbles and quakes at my coming of age and appetite for destruction stepping up to the plate.